Watch this video until the end and listen to this important message.
Today, I will tell you why you should remove certain things from your bedroom. These things attract poverty and limit your abundance. When you remove them, you will see positive changes in your luck, energy, and vibration. If you are going through a period where your energy is low and things are not going well in your life, your bedroom could be the cause. Your bedroom is your sanctuary of rest. Some things should not be in it because they take away harmony, balance, and energy. If you have ever entered a temple or sanctuary, you will have noticed that it is a special place with a high degree of peace. This is because these places have rules to become sacred. You should do the same with your room. I will help you to turn it into the only moment of the day where your cells recover and your body rebuilds itself while you sleep. If done correctly, your energy will be abundant, and that is what you will transmit. As a user of this channel, you know that we are energy, and what we transmit is what we attract into our lives. If you project low-frequency energy, that is what you will attract. That is why you need to turn your bedroom into your temple of rest. The first thing you should not have in your bedroom is a television. In today's society, we have associated leisure with rest, but they are two completely different things. A television in your bedroom will disturb your rest in various ways. Firstly, it emits electromagnetic waves that alter your nervous system and, therefore, your relaxation. Secondly, the information we receive from movies, series, and television programs are usually unproductive for an abundant life. Thirdly, it removes harmony from your resting place. The second thing that you should not have in your room is an excessive number of objects and decorations. If you go to any sanctuary or temple, you will realize the lack of objects and decoration. Those that are there are perfectly chosen at will and have a purpose. Try to be minimalist with your rest space. The most important figure that should be inside your sanctuary of rest is yourself. The mind associates minimalist and harmonious spaces with peace, balance, and equilibrium. That is precisely what you need for a deep rest. If you have a messy place full of objects, your mind will be aware of them unconsciously, even if you don't believe it. The third thing you should not have in your room is your cell phone. The vast majority of people check their mobile phones from bed, but it's a big mistake. It emits a blue light that is a very powerful shortwave light that disturbs sleep. It confuses our brain, making it think that it is daylight, producing less melatonin, which is responsible for rest. Many people currently use their cell phones as alarm clocks. If that is the case, enter your place of rest with the alarm activated but with the phone turned off. The current phones are prepared for the alarm to sound even if the cell phone is turned off. The next thing that you must urgently take out of your room and never have in it again is dirty clothes. Throwing dirty clothes on the floor or leaving them out of their place of recycling, such as a basket or hamper, is telling life that what you saw me and at a certain point represents me. I throw it away and despise the clothes. In all adored beings, clothes are sacred. If they are not dirty, keep them in their corresponding place. If they are dirty, put them in the laundry basket. Finally, try not to have doors in your closets. People tend to store a lot of clothes, which is part of the culture of the human being. The first reason why you should not have colors in your bedding can have a negative impact on your mood and overall well-being. Dark colors can create a sense of heaviness and negativity, while light and neutral colors promote calmness and relaxation. Therefore, consider switching to white or light-colored bedding to promote a more peaceful and restful environment in your bedroom. In summary, if you want to improve the energy, luck, and abundance in your life, start by transforming your bedroom into a sanctuary of rest. Remove any distractions like televisions and cell phones, declutter your space, and create a minimalist and harmonious environment. Embrace cleanliness and order, and consider using light and neutral colors in your bedding. By taking these simple steps, you can transform your bedroom into a sacred space that promotes relaxation, peace, and abundance in all aspects of your life.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.